Today on Designing Spaces, the advantages of off-site built homes. Elevate your driving experience with healthy scents. Plus, how to optimize energy efficiency with HVAC innovations. Time to design.
This is a really popular trend in home construction and ownership. Today's modern off-site built homes offer people who want to buy a brand new home some really great lifestyle and design choices. So we checked out some Champion homes. Sure enough, they're off-site, built, delivered, and ready to move in. American home ownership is a big part of the American dream, and one leading U.S. home builder is helping make that dream a reality.
We like to say that Champion Homes offers a smarter way home because we build an unmatched range of modern, new construction homes that are available across the nation. Whether people are in the market for an entry-level home, looking to scale up for a growing family, or planning to downsize, our off-site construction method and our commitment to the home buyer's experience makes home ownership attainable and easy.
I chose the model, but I did not know that you could choose paint colors, beam colors, countertop colors. I loved being able to have the option to choose what I wanted for my home. I was most surprised on how easy it was. I really thought it was going to be a ton for me going back and forth, a lot of paperwork, a lot of stress, a lot of up in the air. Am I going to be able to do this? I'm not going to be able to do this, but y'all made it incredibly easy, and I felt like I barely had to do anything.
We're standing in a modern home design we call the Olivia. If you're interested in checking out the details of this home, you can find it on our website. At Champion, we design and build the kind of inviting, attractive, functional spaces that people are happy to come home to again and again. We apply this philosophy to everything we build, from trendy tiny homes to spacious multi-story homes and everything in between. The Olivia is a 3-bed, 3-bath home, almost 2,500 square feet. Right when you walk in, it is an open concept. We have a den area that's perfect for work from home.
With the accent wall, the ceiling fan, this huge window. I mean, if you work from home, this is going to be
right. This looks awesome.
So this floor plan is really unique. So you'll even have a couple of sitting spaces. Your creativity will shine in this home.
As you walk through, you step into the chef's kitchen.
Right here, we got the dining space.
Big island, for sure.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Charcuterie boards and less. Yes, very, very modern in here.
We have stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. We have a huge island with a farmhouse sink. It is an open concept. We're bringing the outdoor living in. The primary suite is exceptional.
Wow.
Yeah, so first impressions, I mean, it's a huge primary bedroom. Yeah.
You got access to that side?
Exactly. First thing you do when you wake up,
right.
Coffee, head right outside.
I could see myself spending a lot of time right there.
Yeah.
We have a spa-like bath. We have a mosaic tile shower with the rainfall shower head, and the primary closet is incredibly spacious.
Never ending.
Yeah, so we have a standalone tub, 2 large windows, dual vanity, that black marine hardware, and a shower, mosaic tile with a rainfall shower head.
Love it.
Champion's key advantages for home buyers are shorter build times, greater availability, and better value per square foot. We can deliver these benefits because our innovative offsite construction process allows us to make the most sustainable and efficient use of resources.
They empower home buyers with choices by providing a variety of floor plan options and curated styles, thus ensuring there are homes for every taste. Off-site built homes offer outstanding advantages that homeowners are talking about.
That was one of the deciding factors for me, was the square foot cost was substantially less, and we still get all the same benefits. It was a no-brainer for us to go with the manufactured home.
Every Champion home begins with high-quality materials. We have 48 manufacturing centers across the nation, each with a dedicated workforce that specialize in all the building trades that go into constructing a new home. Having our skilled trades under one roof saves consumers the subcontracting headaches that can often go along with the new construction. Another benefit of our home building process is that construction can take place while the home site is being prepared, which greatly improves time to completion.
Champion homes are built indoors, sheltered from the elements, arriving on site a full 80 to 90% complete. The advantage? Reduced material exposure to sun, wind, rain, snow, whatever Mother Nature can throw during standard on-site building, along with the impact weather can have on traditional on-site built homes, affecting integrity and materials. Champion Homes also enjoys greater freedom from construction delays. That's a win-win for all.
The Champion home buying process can start in the comfort of your own home. By visiting our website, home shoppers can find homes and retailers available in their area. The next step is to visit the retailer, who will be the home shopper's partner throughout the entire process. They help guide them through selecting options, site preparation, and all the steps leading to the completion of a home. We build for a variety of scenarios, but the majority of what we do, our process allows us to be significantly faster than the site-built alternative. We have designs that are perfect for growing families, as well as homes that are just right for the first-time home buyers and those looking to downsize. They range from 399 square feet to over 2,000 like the model we're in today. We know that a home is something that needs to be just right. That's why we curate a selection of decors to match the tastes of a wide range of homeowners. Our homes appeal to buyers who are looking for smart value without sacrificing style, quality, or functionality. Champion Homes can be found in subdivisions and communities across the nation. We provide an affordable, stylish home buying option nationwide.
Champion Homes' off-site construction method and commitment to the home buyer's experience makes home ownership attainable and easy. For more information on how to benefit from the finest in off-site built home construction, visit championhomes.com. And of course, you can always visit designingspaces.tv.
That new car scent, there's just nothing like it. And outside of buying our house, a car is probably the most expensive thing that we own. And let's face it, we spend a lot of time in our cars, so that new car scent, it tends to fade away pretty easily. Well, today, we're gonna give you a way to surround yourself with transformative scents. We call it Wellness on Wheels, and scents can truly be uplifting. And to tell us all about it today is Ryan Bayless from Drift. Welcome to the show, Ryan.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So could you tell us a little inspiration behind Drift? How did you come up with this?
I bought a used car, and it had a little bit of a used car funk to it.
I was going to say, how'd that go for you?
And I wanted an air freshener that both looked great and smelled great, but there wasn't really anything out there. So we started Drift to kind of solve all of those things.
Well, Ryan, that is exactly why we are in my driveway with my car, because we are really driving the point home of how much the air freshener market has changed.
Yeah, so I mean, over the last 50 years, car fresheners just haven't changed.
Not even the look.
No, not the look, not the technology, and definitely not the clean ingredients.
Right.
So with Drift, we wanted something that both looked good, smelled with luxury fragrances, and then was good for us. So we built a new brand around those premises.
Absolutely, and you know what I like about yours too? Yours, they look clean, they look sleek, they look modern. Like looking at it, I would never know that it was an air freshener. And for me, personally, I've got 2 kids, I've got dogs, I know you have kids too. I mean, we know that that new car scent, it's gone like almost immediately. But I refuse to use those air fresheners that have those harmful chemicals.
We wanted them to be as clean as we possibly could, so it has no phthalates, parabens. We've got a giant list of bad stuff that we don't have in our product.
I love the design. I feel like it's good for women and men, so it's unisex. So tell me a little bit about that. Like, what do you get?
Yeah, so we've got our wood freshener and our stone freshener. The wood's got that raw wood look that's soaked in our oils. Both of them have a magnet to snap up onto your visor to kind of stay out of the way, not use up a cup holder, not be hanging from the rearview mirror, and overall just hide itself except for the scent. We want
Not
to smell the
distracting,
scent.
yes.
The stone is a raw concrete look, very sleek, very modern. How it works is we are a subscription, so every 30 days you get a new one. So right as one starts to fade, a new one will show up at your door, and you can pick what scent you want. We have a scent of the month program, which is my personal favorite. You get a new scent every single month.
Oh, so it switches up?
Yeah, and it's seasonal.
Cool.
So around the holidays, we'll do a more holiday scent.
Love that.
In the summer, some summer-themed scents.
All right, well, should we go check it out in my car?
Let's go test drive it.
I want to see what it smells like. Okay, so I'm so excited. I see we have 4 different scents here, so you're gonna have to jump into that and explain that to me. But first, can you show me how to set this up?
Yep, so grab the visor clip first.
Okay.
Make it so this edge pops out.
Okay,
So slide it up there.
So just right like this?
That's
Oh,
it.
easy enough.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so now it's ready to go. So now you can take either the wood or the stone freshener and it just snaps up on there magnetically. So do it with the stone.
Yeah, I'm
Grab
gonna try the stone first. I'm gravitating towards that right now. Oh,
Boom.
like a magnetic pole, literally.
Yeah.
It's magic.
Magic. Magnets, how do they work?
Looking at this, I would never know that this is an air freshener. It's not distracting me. I mean, it's just so clean.
It's a great design in the car and blends in without, taking up any extra space.
Okay, so we have the stone option. Now let's see what the wood looks like.
Let's check
What
it
I
out.
like about these, I like that these mix and match with the neutrals in the car.
Yeah, and you can pick each one based on, if your car interior has a little more dark colors, maybe the stone works a little bit better, or if you like the wood look, go with the wood.
Okay, so what is the inspiration behind these scents? Like, I know the names are obviously all different, so how do you come up with these different scents and putting them together?
Yeah, so with Drift, we want to create like a sense of place. And so for each scent, we kind of go off of a different vibe or a different ingredient that we want to kind of go around. And so we've got Grove, Amber, Cabana, and Teak. Each one's just a little bit different. Grove's a lot more citrus. Amber is super, super fresh, very clean. Cabana smells like vacation. You got those coconut. Teak's a little more woodsy, a little more masculine.
I'm gonna do the Grove.
All right. Grove is very much, we're here in the great state of Florida. It smells like an orange field. Oh, it's great. I love the citrus side of this one.
Oh, that is very
good, right?
nice. I feel like this would be like a very universal one. I feel like people wouldn't go, you can't go wrong with this. It's almost like the lemon of Drift.
Yeah.
They're nice, they're homey, they're fresh, and they're not too overpowering.
We're stuck inside these tiny little boxes with these scents, so we want to make sure that they're, they smell great, but also that they're super, super clean.
Where can we get Drift?
Yeah, so all our fresheners and all our scents are available at drift.co. Plans start at $9.95.
Unbelievable. I love it. All right, now I know you value your life, but want to go for a test drive with me?
Only if I put my seatbelt on. Let's go.
You're gonna need it.
All right.
Today on Designing Spaces, I'm not just the host, I'm also the homeowner, and I teamed up with Parker Davis HVAC International to break down the top 5 reasons you should install a ductless mini split system in your space, and we'll show you how to get it done yourself. So I'm Scott David. I live here in South Florida in this home that we've been in for about 3 years. One of the big things in Florida, as you know, is it's hot here. We have a pretty new HVAC system that was installed right around 2021 and overall does a pretty good job. But one of the things we really notice is in the summer, we're having a hard time cooling our bedroom, which is on the other side of the house. So we find ourselves cranking the air down really, really low to keep the house cool, and it's really wasting a lot of energy. So we've been doing some research, and we came across a company called Parker Davis and their brand of Pioneer ductless mini split systems. Been working with Aaron and the team over there, going through a couple of different options that are gonna help us for our needs. I think we've nailed it down. Seems like a pretty simple solution that should be able to add a really easy cooling and heating option for that bedroom. And in the summer, I'm really thinking it's gonna make a huge impact, not only comfort-wise, but also energy efficiency-wise. Now that we've decided on which ductless mini split system will work best for my bedroom, the Parker Davis team is on their way over to help get my unit set up. Hey Aaron, good to meet you.
Good, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, glad you're here.
Excited to get some heating and cooling?
I sure am. I'm glad you're gonna help me out. I'm looking forward to getting it going. Come on in.
Let's get started.
All right, absolutely. All right, Aaron, this is the room I sent you the pictures of.
Okay, well those helped a lot, yeah. I think the unit we've chosen for you today is gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
This is our Diamante Ultra system, and it's our most premium looking unit, so it's gonna blend seamlessly with this decor here.
That's awesome. My wife will be happy about that.
I think you will be too. It's heating and cooling year round, so you got the year-round comfort benefit.
I'm super excited about that. I know we've been talking about this. We have a relatively late model unit on this house, but especially in the hot months here in South Florida, we are struggling to get this room to a reasonable temperature.
That's one of the great benefits of ductless is you get that unique zone control. You can have this bedroom set to whatever temperature you like and the rest of the house kept at 70 or 75, however you like it. Okay. And speaking of savings, this is actually an Energy Star certified system, so you're going to be qualifying for the 30% tax credit when it comes time to file taxes.
Saving on both sides. Well, I'm glad that you guys are here to help me through this, but I can't wait to see it go in and get this cooling and going.
Same here, yeah. I've got my crew ready to install, but this is also a do-yourself system. So, you know, who knows, after today, you may even help your neighbor install.
I'll put out a mailer and I'll be installing their ductless systems down the whole street.
That's a nice side hustle.
All right, well, let's get it going. I'm excited about it.
Let's do it. All right, Scott, so here's where we're at. We've got the wall hole drilled. We've got the bracket mounted on the wall, which you yourself actually helped out with.
Feel pretty good about that myself.
So next step is the guys are gonna mount the unit on the wall. The hot air is gonna go in through the top and then cool air out the bottom.
All right, so what are the next steps?
Inside part's all done now. Now we're gonna go outside and install the outside unit.
Okay, and then after that, we're pretty much ready to get my phone going.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna show you how it all works.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it. All right, Scott, so we've got the outdoor unit all mounted up.
Yeah, looks good.
You opted for the wall mount, which I think is great for space saving underneath.
Yep.
And what's great about this kind of design is that you have the outside unit away from your bedroom. This is what does all the work in here. And so you're not gonna have any of that noise inside. The only moving part is a spinning blower wheel.
Okay.
And that's gonna have a very silent bedroom.
So this is actually doing all the cooling or heating and then transferring that inside to the unit over the bed.
Pretty much, exactly.
Gotcha, okay.
And what's left now is we just wire it up to the electrical, connect the pipes up, and then you should be good to go.
And what is the warranty on this?
This system actually carries one of our best warranties. You get up to 7 years for parts and for 10 years on the compressor itself, which is the kind of heart of the system.
That's got a lot of peace of mind. While the Parker Davis team finishes up the outdoor installation, Aram and I are heading back inside to install the app on my phone and get my bedroom nice and chilly.
All right, Scott, so we got everything all up and running.
It feels awesome. I can feel it right over here. It is icy cold. I'm super excited about it.
I love it. So this is gonna be your remote. This is the main point of control for the unit.
I did download the app, so I've got it ready to go. We're just gonna add this to it and then I control that anywhere in the world, correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
Let's get started.
I got the icon right here. We're gonna press that.
Okay. Then we're gonna put the unit to pairing mode. All we do is press this button 6 times, the display button. Okay. Then you hear that confirmation beep, and then you go to add device here, pick air conditioner.
Boom, we're connected. 70, 70, I see it.
There you go. Now,
this is super easy to use too as well.
let's change the temperature. Let's set it to 72.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm in business. You guys were awesome. I am really excited about this. Thank you for being here and for helping me out. And now I can sleep in a nice, icy cold room.
If you're happy, we're very happy.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Is your ceiling fan giving you a not so gentle breeze? Here are a few tips to improving its circulation. Turn off the fan with a damp cloth. Clean the fan to ensure dust, dirt, and grime isn't interfering. Check that the fan blades are properly secured. Also check the brackets mounted to the motor spindle. If it still wobbles, you may need to check the fan blade connections and the distance of each blade to the ceiling, which should be between 8 to 10 inches. You may need to purchase a fan balancing kit to remove the wobble.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get 1 free video chat with a home repair expert. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.